Hello, I'm Dr. O'Connor. I want to take just a minute to remind you of something deeply important. Your health is the foundation of everything you value in life. Each day, you make choices that either build or break that foundation. Nutrition, sleep, exercise, mental calm, they're not luxuries, they're necessities. And remember, prevention is far more powerful than cure. So today, make a decision to invest in yourself, because good health isn't just about living longer. It's about living better. Take care of your body, nourish your mind, and protect your well-being every single day.
Have you ever been told you need to lower your cholesterol but felt like you had to give up desserts forever? What if I told you that's complete nonsense and there are actually 10 incredible desserts that can help lower your cholesterol while satisfying your sweet tooth? Today we're diving into the world of heart-healthy desserts that taste so good you'll forget they're actually good for you. I'm about to share desserts that use ingredients scientifically proven to reduce bad cholesterol levels while boosting the good kind. These aren't diet desserts that taste like cardboard. These are real desserts that happen to be packed with cholesterol-fighting superpowers. And the best part? Every single recipe I'm sharing can be made in under 30 minutes with ingredients you can find at any grocery store. But first, let me tell you why this matters so much. High cholesterol affects over 100 million Americans and is a leading cause of heart disease. The traditional approach tells you to cut out all the foods you love. But what if instead of elimination, we focused on addition? What if we could add delicious desserts to your diet that actually help your heart health? That's exactly what we're doing today. I've researched the science behind cholesterol, lowering ingredients, and transformed them into desserts that taste incredible. We're talking about oats that reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 20%, dark chocolate that increases HDL or good cholesterol, nuts that provide healthy fats your arteries crave, and fruits packed with soluble fiber that acts like a sponge soaking up cholesterol in your digestive system. Let's start with dessert number 1, and trust me, this one will blow your mind. Chocolate avocado mousse might sound weird, but it's absolutely game-changing. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol. When you blend ripe avocado with dark cocoa powder and a touch of maple syrup, you get the creamiest, most decadent mousse imaginable. The avocado completely disappears flavor-wise but gives you that rich, velvety texture that makes your mouth water. Here's what makes this dessert so powerful for your cholesterol. The monounsaturated fats in avocado have been shown in studies to reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 15% when they replace saturated fats in your diet. Plus, you're getting potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which binds to cholesterol and removes it from your body. Dessert number 2 is going to make oatmeal haters completely change their minds. We're making overnight oats parfait that tastes like eating dessert for breakfast, but works around the clock to lower your cholesterol. The secret is in the beta-glucan fiber found in oats. This special type of fiber forms a gel in your digestive tract that literally grabs onto cholesterol and escorts it out of your body. Layer your oats with Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics. Add fresh berries for antioxidants that prevent cholesterol oxidation. Top with chopped walnuts for omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation. The result is a parfait so delicious you'll want to eat it every day. And you should, because just 3 grams of beta-glucan daily can reduce cholesterol by 5 to 10%. Now here's where things get really exciting. Dessert number 3 combines 2 cholesterol-fighting superstars in one amazing treat. Dark chocolate-covered almonds give you a double dose of heart-healthy goodness. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao contains flavonoids that increase HDL cholesterol and improve blood flow. Almonds provide vitamin E and healthy fats that protect your arteries from damage. The key is portion control here. Just 1 ounce of almonds daily has been shown to reduce bad cholesterol by up to 9%. Cover them in dark chocolate, and you're not just getting a treat, you're getting medicine that tastes incredible. Make these at home by melting high-quality dark chocolate and dipping raw almonds. Let them cool on parchment paper, and you have a dessert that satisfies cravings while supporting heart health. Let's talk about dessert number 4 because this one surprised even me during my research. Chia seed pudding tastes like tapioca, but delivers omega-3 fatty acids that your heart absolutely loves. Chia seeds expand when mixed with liquid, creating a pudding-like texture naturally. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses containing more omega-3s than salmon pound for pound. Mix chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk and a touch of vanilla. Let it sit overnight and you wake up to pudding that's ready to eat. Top with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey. The omega-3s in chia seeds help reduce inflammation that contributes to cholesterol buildup in arteries. Plus, you get 8 grams of fiber per ounce, which helps eliminate cholesterol from your system. Here's something that might shock you. Dessert number 5 is actually a cake. But this isn't just any cake. This is a black bean chocolate cake that tastes so good, people will never guess the secret ingredient. Black beans replace flour, providing protein and soluble fiber while creating incredibly moist texture. The fiber in black beans works exactly like oat fiber, binding to cholesterol in your digestive tract. Blend cooked black beans with cocoa powder, eggs, and a natural sweetener. Bake it, and you get chocolate cake that's dense, rich, and satisfying. Each slice delivers 6 grams of fiber and plant-based protein that keeps you full while fighting cholesterol. I've served this to chocolate cake skeptics and watched their jaws drop when I revealed the ingredients. Dessert number 6 brings us to the wonderful world of frozen treats. Ice cream made from frozen bananas and berries gives you ice cream satisfaction without dairy or added sugars. Bananas contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps remove cholesterol from your bloodstream. Berries add antioxidants that prevent LDL cholesterol from becoming oxidized and dangerous. Simply freeze ripe bananas overnight. Blend them with frozen berries until creamy. The result is ice cream that's naturally sweet and incredibly satisfying. You can add cocoa powder for chocolate, nice cream, or peanut butter for extra protein and healthy fats. This dessert proves you don't need dairy or artificial ingredients to create something delicious and heart-healthy. Now we're getting into advanced territory with dessert number 7. Green tea. Matcha cookies might sound intimidating, but they're simple to make and incredibly effective for cholesterol management. Matcha contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 16% in some studies. These compounds also boost metabolism and provide sustained energy without crashes. Use almond flour instead of regular flour for healthy fats and protein. Sweeten with coconut sugar, which has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar. The result is cookies that are crispy, satisfying, and packed with antioxidants. Plus, the ritual of making and enjoying tea-based desserts promotes mindfulness and stress reduction, which also benefits heart health. Dessert number 8 takes us to the Mediterranean with fig and walnut bites. Figs provide potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and soluble fiber that binds cholesterol. Walnuts deliver omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol ratios. Combine chopped dried figs with crushed walnuts and a touch of honey. Roll into bite-sized balls for perfect portion control. These little power bites satisfy sweet cravings while delivering nutrients your cardiovascular system craves. The combination of fiber-healthy fats and natural sugars provides sustained energy without blood sugar spikes. Plus, they're incredibly portable, making them perfect for busy seniors who want heart-healthy snacks on the go. Here's where we get really creative with dessert number 9. Sweet potato brownies sound impossible, but they work beautifully. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, fiber, and potassium while creating incredible moisture and natural sweetness. When combined with cocoa powder and a few simple ingredients, you get brownies that are fudgy, decadent, and surprisingly healthy. The fiber in sweet potatoes helps regulate cholesterol absorption while providing sustained energy. Plus, you get vitamin A, which supports immune function and eye health. These brownies prove that healthy desserts don't have to taste healthy. They taste like indulgence while secretly supporting your heart health goals. Finally, dessert number 10 brings everything together with berry oat crisp. This dessert combines multiple cholesterol-fighting ingredients in one incredible treat. Berries provide antioxidants and natural sweetness. Oats deliver beta-glucan fiber that actively lowers cholesterol. Nuts add healthy fats and protein for satisfaction and heart health. Layer fresh or frozen berries in a baking dish. Top with a mixture of oats, chopped nuts, and a touch of natural sweetener. Bake until golden and bubbling. The result is a dessert that tastes like traditional comfort food while delivering serious nutritional benefits. Each serving provides multiple grams of cholesterol-fighting fiber plus antioxidants that protect your cardiovascular system. The science behind these desserts is absolutely fascinating. When you eat soluble fiber from oats, beans, and fruits, it forms a gel in your small intestine. This gel binds to cholesterol and bile acids, preventing them from being reabsorbed into your bloodstream. Your liver then has to use existing cholesterol to make new bile acids, effectively lowering your total cholesterol levels. Healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados work differently, but just as effectively. They help improve your cholesterol profile by raising HDL or good cholesterol while lowering LDL or bad cholesterol. These fats also reduce inflammation that contributes to artery damage and heart disease risk. What makes these desserts so powerful is that they taste incredible while delivering multiple mechanisms for cholesterol reduction. You're not just getting one beneficial ingredient, you're getting combinations that work synergistically to support heart health. Plus enjoying dessert releases, endorphins that reduce stress, and stress reduction itself helps lower cholesterol levels. The key to success with these heart-healthy desserts is consistency and mindful enjoyment. Make them part of your regular routine rather than occasional treats. Pay attention to how they make you feel both immediately and over time. Notice improvements in energy levels, sleep, quality, and overall well-being that often accompany better cholesterol management. Remember that dessert can be medicine when you choose the right ingredients and prepare them thoughtfully. These 10 desserts prove that taking care of your heart doesn't mean sacrificing pleasure or satisfaction. It means making smarter choices that happen to taste amazing while supporting your long-term health goals. If you found these recipes inspiring, share this video with your family and friends. Prevention is most powerful when shared. And don't forget to subscribe, comment for more expert-backed nutrition tips designed especially for H.